everyone thank Deal Elliott.
Are you aware of the contents of the impacts report?
That's not your business.
Very good.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great, you know who. Now, you just see a clip with Mr. Dale Elliott, the journalist, talking to Mr. Pierre, asking him a question. I really want to talk about that, among some other things.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. He says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
That was Mr. Dale Elliott asking the Prime Minister about the impacts procedure. I want to make one thing clear. This impact situation didn't happen on Pierre watching up. And they keep on asking Pierre about the impact. And Pierre answered the right way. But one guy right here, that's his picture, Mr. Verngard. We are on to you, Mr. Verngard. We are on to you, and I'm going to explain.
In your capacity of Minister for National Security, nearly all the officers implicated in the impacts report have not showed up for work in the last 5 or 6 years. Prime Minister, you are the Minister for National Security.
I'm not the Chief of Police.
Prime Minister, I'm not
the Chief of Police, and I refuse to answer any question that deals with the running of the police force. So that's what you ask me.
No, I think Dale Elliott should give the Prime Minister a break and come off of the man blood clot back. Okay? Now, who he needs to speak to is the man on the right there in this picture, Mr. Verngard. So he needs to take his camera and all of his journalistic equipment and take it down to police headquarters. And you ask Mr. God those questions.
If you ask me about policy, I'll tell you. If you ask me about policy, you tell me what's my policy on police transportation, what's the policy on how we intend to go forward. But any questions on the day-to-day affairs of the Police Force, I can't answer. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry.
As Minister responsible for national security, are you responsible for the police?
Mr. Reporter, my job is to give policy guidance, policy direction, policy instructions, find resources for the Solution Police Force. That's the limit of my job. I do not interfere in the daily running of the police force because this is not in my remit. My job is to give overall guidance and policy direction to the police force. So I can't, I'm very sorry, my sincere apologies. I can't answer any questions on movements in the police force. I'm sorry.
Thank you,
know more than me? Find out.
Thank you, Prime Minister.
Thanks. Thank you.
I think the Prime Minister is right because the Prime Minister don't want to get mixed up in this. And he is expecting Verngard, the police commissioner, to step up and do what he needs to do because you have guys like $6 million cap in the impacts report. You understand? And you have other police officer who is involved in that thing. And it seems like to me they are trying to derail you, Mr. Guard. So you need to put your foot down because I know before you went in the force, you have the inner circle. And as you can see, evidence went missing on your watch. And now they're pressuring the Prime Minister about the impacts. The Prime Minister don't have anything to do with that. Only one thing I wish Mr. Pierre would do is to whip them into shape, Mr. Pierre. You are the boss, you know. You is the boss. Whip all of them into shape. Frog face, all of them, Mr. Pierre, cause you is the boss. People chose you. Look at the screen right there. That's Overlord Frog face. And I need to point out something, and this related to the impacts report. Now, when Frogface was in the other party, that's when all this thing happened, you know, with the police them get the order to go kill off the man them in the ghetto. So, Frogface was on that party, and it's alleged that he is behind a lot of those murders, and everybody in Castries and the whole St. Lucia knows these things. You see what I'm saying? Now, earlier I said to Mr. Dale Elliott, take it to Green Goblin. Well, me I go take it to Green Goblin. Now, Mr. Green Goblin, you is the DPP, Director of Public Prosecution. Now, all these cases, you know, the Leon case, the Daniels case, the Impacts case, all these cases are disappearing underneath your watch. And you just sit quiet and you don't say anything. You have been DPP for years and years in St. Lucia. And I can count on one hand how many cases get solved even get finished through court. You have guys sitting in jail for 15 and 20 years. You just had the young man who died in remand. He wasn't even sentenced. And evidence is disappearing. The rope disappeared, the gun disappeared, the impacts disappear. It just seems like Green Goblin is working with the, we're gonna say, deep state. Green Goblin is working with the deep state in St. Lucia, yo. Look at that picture. You see Tree the Hard Way. You see Overlord Frogface. You see Verngard. And you see the Green Goblin. Now, me I call upon these three men to come together and bring down crime in a St. Lucia. And them can start by dealing with the impacts report. And start by dealing with all these missing cases where evidence disappearing. And start by all these guys in prison beyond them constitutional right. Beyond the constitutional time, not right, which their rights has been violated. So, me I call upon these three fellows to step up, do a press conference. Mr. Frogface, you can deal with the impacts thing and talk about the $6 million cap link and all of them thing there. And Mr. Green Goblin, a big part of this rests on you because you is the Director of Public Prosecution. But for some reason, it seems like the cat has gotten your tongue and you can't talk. And then when you come and speak, you try to blame the police. Everything rests with you. How can you have a case and have the evidence and then all of a sudden the evidence disappear? That means you're working with the deep state. Right now, I'm telling these three young men or old men that I am on the case because I've been watching it for a long time, you know, and I just notice is only certain people go to prison in St. Lucia. Because you have super criminal like Scarecrow, Leanback, the Marlon, the Princes, the John Wick, and the list goes on and on. Now you have another pussy hole on the boulevard. Both him around the 6th gang, and me gonna talk about that pussy there. Him think me don't know him, but me know him. But let's get back to this. I am on the case with these three men because really and truly, them control the law in St. Lucia, and the crime, them can't stop it. And one of the first steps is to resolve the impact report and leave Mr. Pierre out of it, because Mr. Pierre don't have anything to do with the impact report. If anything, people should be talking to Overlord Frogface, because he was on that party and they were in power. And that's the truth. Now, last but not least, before I go, I want them to know that I have a lot more info. A lot more. And I'm gonna stick to this case because I think if they want crime to come down, these three men right here can bring down crime. Not the Prime Minister. These three men right here. Overlord Frogface, his district is Crime Central in St. Lucia. Mr. God is the commissioner, and you have a lot of dirty police. You have $6 million cop. How can you have the police them so rich? You need to check on the police them and where they're getting their wealth from, because all the police them have big house, big car, and a small wage. So, Mr. God, no, Green Goblin, you is responsible for prosecution of crime, and you work along with the police them when the police gather evidence and you all secure the evidence. But for some weird reason, evidence keep on disappearing. Cases are not being heard. There's a backlog in the court. There's guys doing 15, 20 years on remand. Nothing has been working. There is no good prosecution of nothing. Everything just like all scrambled and over the place. Now the impacts thing, you blame the police them. That the police them this and the police them that, and then the police them blame you. Well, guess what? Mr. Guard and you need to step up and talk what's on the impacts report along with Overlord Frogface and move the country forward. Yo, St. Lucia, if you don't want to bring down crime, them three money have to bring down crime. And that's all me I say. And like me say, I am on the case. So listen, my name is Countryman.